Guys, today we will take it out this screen, iMac screen. So I will show you how you can take it out easily. So it's not complicated things to take it out that this screen. I'm gonna use this tool as you see. As you guys remember, this is the elderly people they use and the shower whenever they take a shower and just hold on it there, they get help with this. So this is the one that I will use first. It should stay like this, and then you just go to screen. Let's push it a little bit, and push this, and then other one. That's it. So I will, yeah. Then we will pull it, but I don't have a helper, but I'll try by myself. Hold it and see. As you see, the screen came. See, this is the way. It is so simple. It's with this one so easy. I mean, you don't need to do anything. Simple way, pull it and screen easy way came out. So I hope you liked this video. Maybe it's helpful. So please subscribe my channel, and blessing to you. Next time with another video I will teach you something else. Thank you. Bye.